Get your ass out of the AC. We got a burn up here, bro. What's up, bro? How you been? Oh, look at that, dude. You already got it dirty?
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah, dude. Looks good.
It does look good. It feels good, yo. It feels good. It's definitely sturdy.
Like it doesn't wobble or
It's
anything?
not wobbling.
You've taken turns with it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Alright, so mission today is to cut that bitch off and make sure he leaves with a chair.
That's the goal, yo.
In case you guys are wondering, today we're putting a bucket seat in this Camry, but they don't make any rails for it. So we already did it on the driver's side, and kind of had to make our own custom mounts. Now I didn't mention this in any of the videos, but we got a welder. We got a welder. Let's show it. Let's show it. So here it is, a new welder. This thing is gonna come in handy, and it's gonna open up a lot of opportunities for us. I'm very excited for it because I got a 3.46 diff that I will be welding. Well, Fetty's gonna be welding, and we're gonna be putting in the E46. Next month, there's a event. It's a 3-day event. It's called Sinister Bash. But I'm trying to make it to at least 2 days, and hopefully the 346 drives better. So let's get to it. You ready to weld? Yeah, who cares? Bro, I swear you look so metallic from metal shavings. Like all of this shit's like metal on you.
It's like almost like preempting, but it's not. It's like stronger. Oh, there's a Domino's up here.
Yes.
This is the one that I cleaned.
Yep. So you went through the tracks in the Corolla?
Yeah.
How did that go? He flew. Bro, he jumped the car.
It's actually very smooth. You just have to be careful. Like,
That's how we do it around here in Hanover. Yeah. Yep. No, take it right into Aldi. Let's get metal at Aldi.
I mean, we can. We probably can. Try to figure it out.
Just get a sawzall and an angle grinder and cut whatever metal we can find.
Do we have a saw to cut the seat?
Yeah, like an angle grinder. If not, I do have a sawzall.
You need to get more cutout wheels, bro. That one's done for.
I have more.
Like this
If
top
it
sign
breaks
right
on
here?
you, bro.
And then go shoot.
Oh,
He's like, I'm gonna run that shit regardless.
Alright, we want to park here or over there?
Yes.
Good answer. Didn't pay off.
Menace, exact menace to society. My God.
You guys see that Ford?
The Mustang?
Ford. Oh.
Where?
Got it.
Get some U.S. mail.
One of these lanes.
I got you. You got some metal right there. Bro, this is not the aisle.
Did you say like 17 or something?
It's right there, bro.
Right there. Got it.
Hell yeah.
I want the thickest thing here, yo.
You want thick?
Yeah.
I got you. No, let's just get the same stuff.
Yeah, the same exact thing.
Did you bring it in?
It's a good question.
Just get.
Good for you.
Actually, now that I think
Yo, we
about
cut
it,
and then we welded it together.
right.
So I'm just saying, why can't we just get the
Instead of being this thin
Yeah.
and having to double it, because what we did last time was cut it, we could just get it thick already.
It's actually really good. This 3/8.
Is that what we used last time? Remember, we have to drill through this bitch.
and that's one side.
But bro, when it gets smaller, I think it gets weaker. No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
No.
So you want to keep it 3/8?
The one we
But like,
had last time wasn't
how much weight do you think this can hold?
Does it have a weight capacity?
No, because I'm thinking about it from the seats. Like seat.
Well, it depends on how many bitches you got on the seat.
0, brother. 0.
0 bitches, then you're good, bro. Get the thinnest metal. I would probably back it in because it's easier for us to work this side on the passenger. Yeah. So I didn't introduce this guy to the channel, but this is Ilari.
Yes,
This is his car. We're putting a second bucket seat because this is the driver's side. We're gonna put the passenger side, but we have to kind of custom make it, like I said, because no rails.
The brackets.
Yep, no brackets that fit this car, unfortunately. You did order some, but it didn't fit.
Yes.
Yeah.
The
So
older generation
okay.
of the Toyota Camry.
So 98 to like 2000, I think, or 2001. What year is this?
02.
Okay, so yeah, 2002, different body style, and so we're gonna make sure that this second bucket seat fits this car today using the new welder.
Hey yo.
Alright, you're gonna have to unplug the wiring from the.
What wiring? What does it have heated seats?
No. It has wires from underneath.
Auxiliary cord?
To for the
For what?
for the seat. Yeah, I'm so that the thing,
What is
the
this?
sensor for the sensor, bro.
Shit.
This is my LED lights. Actually, that'll be on.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Lomba dole. Fuck. Alright, those, is there anything that needs unplugged?
Yes.
Just a sec.
I can't really see it though. Hold on. Actually, I think it's already unplugged. No,
Is it really? It's not. Definitely not. Bro, it's from here. It's unplugged.
Oh, it's like a ground.
The buzzer the whole.
Oh, it's on the seat itself.
وما انا بقول من الصبح يا.
Why is this on here? You have to peel it? Do I have to peel it?
Just peel it off. I don't give a shit. I don't know what to. It allows you to see at night.
You went through this?
Yeah.
We'll put it on the new seat. Did you have a cat or something in here?
My dog, Zico.
You have a dog? Mm-hmm. His name is Zico? Zakaria?
ايوه ازاي وبعد كده اقدر الكرسي بيطلع ازاي يا اسطى يطلع كده.
Alright guys,
Can you
we
not
got the
close the
seat
door
out
on me?
and now we can go ahead and put the new seat in.
Why are you homosexual, yo?
Hold up. Yeah. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Alright guys, so watch how simple this install is. All right, bro.
Yeah, bro, you're good to go.
actually see it when it's in there. Then هعمل شوية burnouts.
Alright, yeah. No. Yeah, no.
Oh,
Not
I'm
bad.
already winded.
Hurry up, يلا واللي وراها.
Bro, you're so dumb. Holy hell. هات كده هتموتنا. Can you move this guard?
No, why?
لا لا
No, keep it.
يا صاحبي.
You'd have to remove the whole thing.
فكر بس انت والنبي بتعملها مش اتنين يكونوا. انت باي بولر.
Hold it.
All right, so we cut both 4 mounting points off of the actual seat, like the factory OEM seat. And now what we did was remount them into the car so that you could see here all the cut marks for them laying there. And then we cut this piece of stock metal in there to tack weld it. And then we'll drill through this so we can mount the new seat on it. So that's essentially how it's gonna be. Very simple, you know, style bracket or, you know, rails or whatever you call them. But that's what we're gonna do right now. This one isn't?
Yeah, but it'll hold though.
This is taking way too long, but we got the brackets on. We're just kind of painting it so it doesn't look super bad, but you can see the seat is on, the rails, and then this right there will just mount right to the car. And the nice thing about it is we did mount the seatbelt buckle like where it threads. So essentially you just take this, put it into here, and then just drive the nut in there, and then you got a buckle to buckle your seatbelt. So I'll try to show you guys what it looks like after it's all done. We had to make a little bit of modifications to the driver too, but we should have it in here soon. It's probably gonna get dark by the time we have it on, but I'll try to put a flashlight and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we're mounting the rail now to the car, and then we drilled 2 holes that will mount the seat to. Same thing with the front, we'll just have to put the rail in there, and then it'll mount right to the seat, which is right there. You get the gist. So let's see how it looks. All right, we are all done with them. We still have to put a seatbelt buckle on this side. We did it on that side here. You can kind of see it there. That way he can use the seat belt. But the passenger side, we still have to. We actually weld into the railing down here. But yeah, as you can see, let me get my keys out of the way. They are both in there, looking good. I'm stoked on it. And Larry's stoked on it. And yeah, he'll just have to come back for that seatbelt buckle, and then it should be all good. We just took it for a ride around the corner, and then the seats really hold you in. So that is going to be it for today's video, everybody. I'm tired. It actually kind of took us longer than I thought. It took us all day, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully we work on the E46 some more next video. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.